I would say that life is all about changing, and software is just one of those things that, as the times and the technology that's advancing at this rapid pace, I think every company should evaluate that every 3, 5, or 7 years and see where they're at and try to see where they can basically maximize the benefits instead of having 2 or 3 different softwares that maybe not talking to each other, bringing in under one roof, so drive the cost down and efficiency higher and to be able to grow.
When we were looking to switch, as I said, our main thing was that single database and do everything. And we did look at multiple offerings on the market. Vantaca, a couple of things. Vantaca 1 was the only one really that could tick all the boxes and was focused on association management.
If you are on the fence about changing software or thinking about changing software, you're already made the decision. You already know that you're with a software that is not meeting your needs. When we went to make a change, we went and looked at everything. We evaluated all the software that was out there to find what was best for us. One of my biggest requirements was the customer support, the technological support. It was the people. Not just the software and what it could do, but are we going to be supported? Because one of our frustrations in the past, we weren't supported. There were no updates, there were no changes.
Look for a software that gives you the flexibility you need for your business style. We had some runner-up softwares, and ultimately it came down to not only their lack of robust API offerings, but it also had some features in Vantaca that the others didn't have because they didn't allow flexibility for each company to kind of operate uniquely and independently to them.
I've done multiple software conversions in other businesses that I own, and this particular conversion and transition was by far the smoothest. They really took their time, made sure every step was taken care of so nothing was missed. You don't know what you don't know, and it was nice to have the staff here at Vantaca really walk us through and make sure that there were no key deliverables that we were missing, so that when the launch happened, it was smooth.
Any onboarding or change I think is obviously super challenging to begin with. So us having gone through it a few times, it's gotten better and better every time. But I would say again, I think the thing that's been consistent no matter what is that we had, the dedicated support to reach out to and bounce ideas off of and work through it together. So it's been a huge, huge benefit throughout the different processes.
If you're thinking about it, there's better solutions out there. It means you're not happy with what you have. The one consistent thing I hear from Vantaca users is they regretted not doing it sooner. Their staff is happier, their clients are happier with this product, and they regret not doing it earlier.